The Line Islands, Teraina Islands, or Equatorial Islands, is a chain of 11 atolls and low coral islands in the central Pacific Ocean, south of the Hawaiian Islands, that stretches for 2,350 kilometers in a northwest-southeast direction, making it one of the longest island chains of the world. 8 of the islands form part of Kiribati, while the remaining 3 are United States territories grouped with the United States minor outlying islands. Overview. Those that are part of Kiribati are in the world's farthest forward time zone, UTC plus 1400. The time of day is the same as in the U.S. state of Hawaii, but the date is 1 day ahead. The time is 26 hours ahead of some other islands in Oceania like Baker Island, which uses UTC minus 12 o'clock. The islands of Fanning and Washington were annexed as part of the British colony of the Gilbert and Ellice Islands in 1916, followed in 1919 by the similar annexation of Christmas Island. However, these annexations were contested by the government of the United States, citing its Guano Islands Act of 1856, which allowed for very wide-ranging territorial claims. The latter claims persisted until relinquished under the Treaty of Tarawa, which recognized Kiribati's sovereignty over the majority of the Line Islands chain. In the meantime, the Line Islands featured briefly in biennial reports furnished by the colony's resident commissioner to the Colonial Office and Parliament in London. The group is geographically divided into 3 subgroups: the Northern, Central, and Southern Line Islands. The Central Line Islands are sometimes grouped with the Southern Line Islands. The table below lists the islands from north to south. List of atoll, islands and reef. Asterisk. The lagoon areas marked with an asterisk are contained within the island areas of the previous column because they are, unlike in the case of a typical atoll, inland waters completely sealed off from the sea. Kiribati is the largest atoll in the world in terms of land area. The islands were annexed by the UK in 1888 with a view to laying the Pacific Cable, with Tabuiran as a relay station. The cable was laid and was operational between 1902 and 1963, except for a short period in 1914. Copra and petfish are the main export products.